Workers on Thursday dismantled the iconic sign downtown at the Union Bus Station. The building is being demolished to make room for a parking garage as part of the block's makeover for the future 499 West Sheridan Tower. Developers pledged to refurbish the sign and put it back on display in a glass beacon on the parking garage at the corner of Sheridan and Walker Avenues. They also indicated they plan to reuse blue glass tiles that adorn the bus station and the parking garage facade. The Union Bus Station at 427 West Sheridan was built in 1941. Preservationists sought to save the structure, arguing it held architectural and community historical significance. The Downtown Design Review Committee approved the bus station's destruction, a decision upheld after a later court hearing. Records obtained by the Oklahoman indicate that demolition on the taller structures on that block, such as the former Hotel Black and the Auto Hotel, could begin next month.